Good afternoon, and welcome back to Refreshing Point. I hope that you are doing well. I will be sharing with you what you need to know about protein powders. If you visited a health store recently, you might see that there are many protein powders available on the shelves. Protein powders are basically supplements that can help you increase your protein intake. They provide essential and branched chain amino acids in a highly absorbable form. However, protein powders are sometimes flawed. It is hard to buy a sincerely healthy product that is made of foods you actually eat. When reading the back of the label, you might have to do an internet search on at least one or two of the ingredients. In addition, tests have found that 21% of protein supplements contain the ingredients they claim to, meaning you aren't necessarily going to get the benefits promised on the packaging. The most common protein sources used in commercial powders include soy, egg, wheat, and wheat gluten. Soy and gluten-containing proteins such as wheat, barley, rye, oat, and spelt are highly allergenic and promote inflammatory reactions within the body. Soy contains phytic acids that bind and pull major minerals such as calcium, magnesium, and zinc from the body. Manufacturers often process protein sources at high temperatures. This processing highly denatures the amino acids. Non-denatured grass-fed wheat protein concentrate from organic pastures is the highest quality protein source for most individuals. This form of wheat protein contains beta-glucans, lactoferrins, and immunoglobulins that enhance immune function. The best vegetarian proteins are from brown rice, peas, and hemp. Brown rice protein is considered the most hypoallergenic protein, which is especially important for individuals with chronic food allergies and leaky gut syndrome. When mixed with a high-quality pea or hemp protein, they form a complete protein source with all essential and branched chain amino acids. Hemp protein is one of the very few plant-based complete protein sources. Hemp is a great source of sulfur-containing amino acids methionine and cysteine, which are necessary for cellular detoxification and the production of vital enzymes. Additionally, it is rich in branched chain amino acids that are needed for muscle growth and repair. Your protein powder should also contain medium-chain triglycerides from sources such as coconut oil to improve bioavailability and aid in digestive comfort. They should never contain artificial flavorings and preservatives of any kind. This source should be sweetened with natural sources such as stevia. It is also very simple to make your own protein powder. By making your own powder, you can limit the protein sources and flavorings to ones that you want in your powder. Additionally, making your own allows you to play with the recipe and find the perfect powder for you. Protein powders can be added into your shakes, brownies, and pancakes. They can also be dissolved into milk or poured over your breakfast cereal. When choosing the right protein powder, take into consideration your needs and decide which one fits your taste. As always, thank you for watching. Good day and good health.